Good morning. Today is February 24th, 2022, and it's National Chili Day and National Tortilla Chip Day. So chili is very popular in the United States, and while many think of it as starting in Mexico, it's actually probably originated in Texas, but at a time that was influenced by Native American, Spanish, and Mexican settlers. So it's actually the state food of Texas. Chili is, I think one of the big controversies on chili is whether you put beans or not beans on it. I personally think that chili needs to have beans, but chili can be made with any kind of meat, with or without beans. It can be spicy or not. In some places, it's called chili con carne. Tortilla chips are known as being a Mexican food, but the very first time they were mass produced, it was actually in the United States, in Los Angeles. So I'm actually going to make a big crock of chili today, which turns out to be great because it's actually cold here where I live today. So I'm going to make some chili, and I'm going to share one of our favorite chili recipes. We have a few that we really like with you today. So happy National Chili and happy National Tortilla Chip Day.